sell in May and go away. Is that applicable to 2025? Let's take a look here at this Bitcoin chart. It is the weekly chart of Bitcoin going back all the way to 2020. You can see here the vertical lines here in gray. That is the beginning of May every single year going back to 2020. And you can see I've made the red box following the period of May. So May, June, July, sometimes a little bit longer. And you can see what has happened here. So from this limited sample size, I mean, it's only 5 years, but the previous 5 years, at best, after the month of May, we got several months of chop sideways action. At worst, we got a 30 to 50% drop. So you can see here in 2020, it went sideways for several months until October, and then it resumed the uptrend. Keep in mind, this was just after the halving, so it's different to compare to now. This was the peak. This was very similar to where we are now, 12 months after the halving. In 2021, we got a huge drop in the month of May, or after the month of May. Then in the bear market in 2022, after the month of May, we went down quite a bit more for several months after May. In 2023, the start of the bull market, we went sideways for several months and then moved higher. Last year in 2024, we dropped. We went sideways for several months. We dropped a little bit and then we had another leg higher. So now we are approaching the end of May. We are in a similar situation. Are we going to get chop and sideways? Are we going to get a 30 to 50% drop? Either way, the data for the last several years does not favor upside continuation until at least somewhere towards the end of the third quarter or maybe even the fourth quarter. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.